All right, so we got this new bearing race puller tool from Motion Pro. We're going to give it a try, see how it turns out, and I guess do like a how to use the tool as well. But you're going to take the cup off the body and insert in the neck. You tighten this down until it grabs the walls of the neck. And then to test it, we're going to drag it up until it catches the bearing race, but we're just going to go until it gets tight. Go a little tighter. Try and get it set right there on the actual bearing race. It's kind of fancy. I'm used to just taking like drift punches and stuff and knocking them out that way. But heat up the neck first, so it makes it easier on you getting them out. So I'm gonna give this new tool a try. It didn't cost very much. Maybe like 40, 60 bucks, somewhere in there. And then I'm gonna need some tools. Imagine it's a 14 up top. No, 12. 12 it is. And then for the bottom, is it 19? No, it's not 19. That's going to be like a 21. Might have to go get a crescent that I don't have in here. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the crescent. I'd say that's 21, 22. And tighten this guy down. Start backing it out. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice and easy, huh? Just do the same thing for the other side. This is a pretty nifty tool. That was really nice and smooth. Didn't have any heat on it. Didn't need any heat on it. I like it. Better than potentially damaging the inside of your neck with a driver or something. Pretty good. Good job, Motion Pro. It was awesome.